A certain bill protecting police could soon be no more in Maryland. Thanks for staying with WJZ. I'm Rick Ritter.
And I'm Denise Koch. Maryland's Law Enforcement Officers' Bill of Rights could soon be repealed.
And WJZ is live at 5:30. Paul Gessler followed Senate hearings with why some lawmakers want to end these protections now. Paul.
Hi, Rick and Denise. This Senate hearing outside of sessions concludes 3 days of hearings and 15 bills aimed at reforming police.
They used an illegal flashbang and shot my brother over 44 times, killing him.
One officer, who we would never know, declined to even make a statement.
And your Leobor is what kept him on the force.
Family of those killed by police testified Thursday before a Maryland Senate committee who debated a series of police reform bills this week.
The LEOBR is not due process. It is special rights for police officers, and it has to end.
Senators are considering repealing Leobor, the Law Enforcement Officers' Bill of Rights, which grants officers broad protections and critics say stands in the way of disciplining and prosecuting officers.
In case after case, Leobor has made it harder for our office to investigate officer actions, harder to make charges stick. And
City State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby said Leobor made her office's job harder in a pair of high-profile cases, the death of Freddie Gray and the gun trace task force.
If the LEOBR is simply repealed under JPR 15, each of the 148 law enforcement agencies in this state would have the ability to create their own disciplinary process with no oversight.
The ACLU and others say officers should be held to the same disciplinary standards as other public employees.
It has now created the impasse that we have now where law enforcement officers being treated as a group differently than any other group out there.
Police officers do very difficult, dangerous jobs. They have to make life and death decisions all the time. They have to have some form of protection from political-based complaints.
Back live now. Maryland is one of 15 states to have a law enforcement officer's Bill of Rights. The legislative session is set to start on January 13th. Reporting live at 5 tonight, I'm Paul Gessler for WJZ.